Good morning, everybody. How are you doing today? Today is 19th of June, 2024. Today we are going to be talking about environmental poisoning and then the effects of environmental poisoning on humans, animals, and then babies or anything that occupies the environment. And when we are talking about the environment, what do we mean? The environment is a space where humans occupy, trees, animals, and even babies. All right, so that's exactly what we mean by environment. And when we are talking about environmental poisoning, we are talking about things that can be harmful to the growth or things that can be harmful to the development of anything at all, any being that occupies the environment. All right, so look at the picture below. You can see industry and then emission of fumes from the industry. You can see emission of fumes from the cars, all right? And you can see that it goes way into the air and then it circulates around the air. Eventually, we have what we call water deposit, that is rainfall. It falls on the trees and on the ground, and then the animals get to eat the grass that germinates from the ground. You also have what we call water poisoning, a situation whereby, or sea poisoning, a situation whereby you have dead animals in the water and in the sea, and all these things are being inhaled by humans, ingested by babies or by humans when they eat or drink water. And then the cause effect or the target effect is the organ, and the target is the organ and the tissue, which eventually circulates in the metabolism of the human body and then causes a kind of side effect on human. Now let's look at the health effects by the side. It says reproductive effects, respiratory effects, neurological effects, birth defects, cancer, and many other effects. Now let's look at this. Air, water, soil, and food can be contaminated with toxins that make us sick, okay? These contaminants can be naturally occurring or result in industrial or man-made impacts to the environment. Examples of environmental poisoning include heavy metals found in water and food and other products, which example is arsenic, lead, and mercury, which we are going to discuss in details for another video. So we also have asbestos, all right? We have asbestos poisoning, that's toxins found in homes or in building materials, asbestos, radon, or volatile organic compound. We also have air toxins found indoors and outdoors, like carbon monoxide, cigarette smoke, and then particulate matters. You see, everyone is affected by environmental poisoning. Everyone, no one is exempted from it. However, infants and children are at higher risk than adults for exposure to environmental poisoning. That is due to several factors, because children have smaller size and proportionate large dose of ingested toxins. And if you can look at the picture, you can see a toddler crawling on the ground. You can also see a toddler ingesting some kind of milk, food, and many other things, okay? A child closer proximity to the ground where the toxin might live is also the reason why children are more susceptible. And a child's curiosity and oral exploratory behaviors may lead to ingested behavior or ingested toxin. Now, to end this, let me just state it for the record that the most and the serious type of environmental poison we have is carbon monoxide, lead, and other heavy metals, which I've stated earlier, and then waterborne toxins. And this, we are going to discuss it in full in other videos. So right now, we are just going to go with what we have, the picture we have, and then we are going to post our questions regarding this picture. All right, thank you very much, as I'm hoping to hear from you very soon and your contributions with regards to environmental poisoning. Thank you very much.